What if I told you the world's first computer was built over 2,000 years ago? A machine so advanced it could track the stars, the moon, and even predict eclipses. And it was made in ancient Greece, before the time of the Roman Empire. This strange and powerful device is called the Antikythera mechanism, and it's something science can't fully explain. In 1901, sponge divers were exploring the ocean near a small Greek island called Antikythera. They found a shipwreck full of broken statues, coins, and one rusty chunk of metal. At first, no one thought much of it, but when scientists took a closer look, they were shocked. It had tiny gears, wheels, and dials, just like a machine. And it turned out to be over 2,000 years old. The Antikythera mechanism wasn't a toy or decoration. It was a working computer, built by hand. It could show the phases of the moon, predict solar and lunar eclipses, track the movement of the planets. All this using a complex system of bronze gears. Some experts say it was as advanced as clocks made in the 1700s. But this thing was built around 100 BC. That's over 1,000 years ahead of its time. So here's the real mystery. Who built it? No other machines like it have ever been found from that time. There are no drawings, no records, no instructions, just this one device. Scientists scanned it using X-rays and 3D tech, and they're still learning how it works. Was it made by one brilliant inventor? Or was it part of a lost science we don't know about today? Some even think it's proof that ancient people were much smarter than we give them credit for. The Antikythera mechanism is more than just an old machine. It's a reminder that history still holds secrets. And sometimes, the past is way more advanced than we ever imagined.